show Gurseema's Gupshup. So our today's guest is a young madam, a dynamic soul. Very warm welcome to you, Purti.
Thank you.
How are you?
Doing great, ma'am. How are you?
All well. So we have our first segment, Rubaru. आपकी कहानी, आपकी जुबानी. Please introduce yourself.
Sure. As I said, I'm Purti Marwaha. I just completed my 12th standard. I gave boards just in Feb to March. And I am still in the process of applying to colleges and universities. So
Right.
that's going on. But yes, I am a student.
And that is a very confusing state,
It is.
right?
It is.
Okay. Yeah, please
Yes.
continue.
I've always been good at studies, if I do say so myself. But apart from
इसकी
that,
शक्ल से पता चलता है she's very intelligent. So that's perfect. And if I just ask you how much you scored in your 10th board?
in 10th it was 97.8.
97.8. It means 98%. My
Yes.
God. Purti, कितना पढ़ती हो? How many hours you study daily?
Ma'am, my hours are not fixed. My schedule is fixed. I work with a to-do list, and when it's done, it's done.
It's
I don't
done.
count my hours.
That's so wonderful. Really smart. Okay, please continue.
Yes. So apart from studies, I've always been a creative soul as well. So,
Right.
बचपन से I've been into literature, poetry, reading, art, dance, like all sorts of the creative arts.
Right.
And I've,
If I
utilized
ask कि poetry लिखनी कब शुरू की थी?
poetry लिखनी.
How old were you at that
I
time?
guess I was around 7 or 8. Like I have one
Oh, too
which is like 10 years old, and that I wrote when I was 8. So long before.
So, what was your first poem? Do you remember something, some lyrics, if you remember?
I don't remember my first poem, but I do remember some of the earlier ones.
Right.
I had written one about my father, then I had written one about teachers. I remember the titles, but I don't really remember the context.
चलो
I was
इनसे
really
poetry भी
old.
सुनेंगे. We'll be listening to her
Yes.
poetry as well. Please proceed.
Sure. So I've also taken part in many competitions and events all these years where I get to showcase my talents, and recently I became associated with Timeless Amritsar as well.
Yes, and that's the place. I'm thankful to
Where I met
Darinder
ma'am.
sir, because I got so many beautiful souls. I could get associated with so many beautiful souls, dynamic souls and rhythmic souls.
Yes.
So I met her there only, Timeless.
Yes.
Timeless Amritsar, beautiful platform
Yeah.
for all the creative souls.
So I started taking part in those open mics in March.
Right.
And then I met you there.
Right. Wonderful. So this is introducing the chapter introducing you.
Yeah.
Right. If I say Purti, what are your future plans? Ki further what you are planning to do?
Well, firstly, I would say that the future is very unpredictable. You
Yes,
can't
very
always
true.
go with plan A. You have to keep plan B and plan C.
So smart. Wise person. Yes.
Well, yes. So I did give the NEET exam in May because I
Oh.
did want to become a doctor ever since I was a kid, but that
Right.
got cancelled. We all know what happened. So I'm giving that again on the 21st of June, and then I'm
So
also
preparing
looking-
for NEET,
Yes.
studying how many hours every day?
As I said, hours are not fixed.
But still, as because a person who's preparing for NEET, I can't say कि hours are not fixed. आप 2-3 घंटे नहीं पढ़ते होगे, इससे
नहीं,
ज़्यादा ही
दो-
पढ़ते हो.
दो-तीन
That's
तो
what.
नहीं.
So I just want to
In
know.
increments, I guess it would go somewhere 8 to 9 regularly, and when they're like proper mock tests and stuff, then surely it increases.
So minimum 9 hours.
I guess so, yeah, including coaching and then there's
सब कुछ
revision
करके
and
9
सब कुछ
hours,
डाल
minimum
के.
9 hours. I really want my angel girls to be motivated from your story. So minimum 9 hours you study, but if when there are certain exams and you're focused, then
Then it
even
takes
it
more
is
time, yeah.
extended. Great. इतनी पढ़ाई कैसे कर लेते हो?
बस मैम करनी पड़ जाती है. No, but jokes apart, actually I've been into learning since I was a kid. I never took it to be a chore. I enjoyed learning new
Right.
things.
So it was never a chore
It
for
was
you.
never a chore. If I'm interested in something, then I'll be just happy to study about it. And even if I'm not, you have to persevere.
Right. So it wasn't like this कि ये chapter कर लो फिर देख घूमने जाते हैं फिर बच्चों से were you having some good friends in your childhood?
I was. I'm still in touch with quite a few of them. Like I've moved to many places. I was in Bangalore earlier,
Right.
Noida, now here. But I'm still in touch with many.
You're
of my
Amritsar
friends. No, my family is from here, but I was born in Jammu.
You were born in Jammu.
Yeah.
कहाँ से जम्मू कश्मीर से लड़की हमारे पास आई है यार पॉडकास्ट के लिए गाइस दिस इज अ नाइस एक्सपीरियंस सो जम्मू से फिर यहाँ कैसे
Jammu se I'll tell you. Actually, my mom and dad, they were neighbors when they were kids. So they
Ah.
met here only, Dinanagar mein.
अच्छा
Yeah. And then when they got married, my dad's family
So it was a
living
love
in
marriage?
Jammu. Yeah.
it was a love marriage
Yes.
right
So
wonderful
yeah, my mom got married and then they lived in Jammu, so I was born there. And then we moved to many places because of my dad's job. So Gurgaon, then Chandigarh, Bangalore, and then Noida, and then beach mein Bangalore again. It was a bit of a hassle. But I came here from Noida in 2022.
So 2022 you came to Amritsar,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So like when you travel so many places, don't you find it is a task to change these schools every time? Is it that it affects your learning because you, and moreover your emotional part also, because your friends, they quite and often change, you have to make the new friends. So how you face this thing?
It did affect me a lot because firstly, whenever anyone asked me where are you from, I didn't have a fixed answer because I'm from so many places.
That's wonderful.
But no, it is difficult because when you're a kid, your friend group changes. The
Yeah,
people you know.
because that is the time when you are very close to your friends.
Right.
Your friends are your first priority. You share
Exactly.
everything with your friends. And when it's like simultaneous, you need to change the and make the new friends. It is a task.
It is.
Until and unless you are a very extrovert person. Are you
Yes.
very extrovert?
I am now.
Now you are.
I am
Because you
now.
have been experienced to all these things.
It is
Okay.
difficult to adapt, but I think it's easier as a kid because you're open to learning about other things, you're open to meeting new people, and it becomes a bit difficult as a grown up, especially to
Right.
open up as much.
Right.
So because I've moved a lot, I've interacted with so many people, I'm really extroverted now. So it comes easy to me
So
to
if I
make
say
new
Purti is
connections.
now ambivert or extrovert, it's clear Purti is now completely extrovert.
Completely extrovert.
Completely extrovert.
Yes.
If a stranger is sitting beside you, you can easily start the conversation.
Yes.
I'm the same one. So we'll have the nice gupshup. अच्छा, food habits के बारे में अगर हम कुछ discuss करें, so what is it something that you eat everything and are you foodie, या मम्मा ने जो बनाया है उसको कभी कभी होता है कि ये क्यों बना दिया?
See, I think I'm not the person to give the best answer because my mom knows this better. I am a bit of a picky eater, I'll admit.
Right.
So there are some things which I don't like.
Which you don't like.
And I
And what are
refuse
those
to eat
things?
them.
Can we have?
Green vegetables. I know.
Wow, green
you should eat
vegetables.
your green vegetables.
हाँ नहीं वो ठीक
You
है,
should,
वो साथ साथ में बोलना पड़ेगा
हाँ.
आपको because यहाँ पे हर एज के ग्रुप के बच्चे
Yes.
जो है they will be listening to
नहीं,
you.
नहीं, you should.
Okay, so कौन सी सब्जी बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है?
Spinach.
You don't like spinach?
No, I don't like spinach. I don't like ladyfinger.
You don't like ladyfinger? मतलब कि मैडम को green veggies से मुश्किल है.
Yes.
Green vegetables are not accepted
Off the
by
table.
Right, it's
No,
off
but
the
if
table.
my mom makes them sometimes, then I have to eat them.
Once a while,
Other
once a
option,
while you
yeah,
do. Once a while you do. Besides the घर का खाना, what else you like to eat?
Besides घर का खाना, I don't eat a lot of street food. I've never been too
Acha.
keen on street food.
So you don't have that temptations to
Sometimes,
have the
just for a few
golgappas,
things.
to have the tikki, to have
only for momos.
only
and
for
like
momos.
chow mein. That's all.
So chow mein and momos
Yeah.
are your favorite
In street food, other than that, normal like pizzas and stuff, but occasionally.
occasionally.
Yeah.
Perfect. So घर में कुछ कभी cook किया है? Have you been ever entered into kitchen and
I
cooked
have.
something?
Kitchen
Prepared a
में
tea?
I have made tea.
चाय बनानी आती है?
चाय बनानी आती है.
आजकल के बच्चों को चाय बनानी आती है, it's a big thing.
Intermediate level पे चाय बनानी आती है.
Right.
And because my mom is the harshest critic of tea. Like she's so particular about her tea, वो किसी के घर पे जाके भी खुद भी चाय बनाते हैं because she's so
I am the
particular.
same one. I can understand. If Purti's mom is watching this episode, तो ma'am, I can understand your feelings because I am somewhat same because चाय मेरे को लगता है कि चाय हर एक की एक पर्सनल रेसिपी है.
Yes.
आप जैसी चाय पीते हो हर कोई वैसी चाय नहीं पीता होगा. और मैं कहीं बाहर जाती हूँ तो आई ऑलवेज से कि चाय या तो मैं खुद बना लूंगी या मैं नहीं पीऊंगी चाय. Right.
Yes. So I can't cook exactly. So I make stuff like garlic bread हो गया,
Right.
pizzas हो गए.
Pizzas हो गए.
I'm good at Maggie, making Maggie.
Right.
But Maggie is not that healthy. Disclaimer to all
She's
the
so
viewers.
smart. Now she understands this gonna go to all these students of
NGO
missionary
kids, yeah.
and for other people also. तो साथ साथ ये pros and cons भी बोल रही हैं.
Yes.
Right.
I just make like this sort of random snacks. अगर आप दाल रोटी बोलो, I can make chapatis,
You-
but
you know,
not
वो गोल गोल.
proper sabzi and all.
गोल चपाती.
Not exactly goal, but they're edible.
But they are edible.
But they're
Of course,
edible.
They are edible. That's
Yes.
wonderful. That's wonderful. If I say कि कुछ ऐसा सपना, कोई ऐसा dream of yours, which you find कि yes, this is Purti's the ultimate dream to achieve. What's that? Is there any?
Ultimate dream? I think it's a bit difficult to pinpoint one, but I can share one from my childhood.
Right.
Like I've always been fascinated with the brain because it seems amazing to me that how one individual person can have so many thoughts, so many emotions,
Right.
and everything is so different, and at the end, at the bottom line, it's all controlled by the brain, right?
Right.
So that has always fascinated me. So even as a kid, I've always dreamt of working in some sort of field, not necessarily as a doctor, but in some sort of field where I can deal with the brain
Brain
at
and
the bottom level, at
the,
like
the thought
inner
process,
level. Yes.
the brain, and
And just work on that.
could be the psychology, could be
Could
psychiatry.
be anything where just
So
the brain
medical line is
involved.
open for you.
It is not just the medical line, anything which is scientific, like
So have
related to the
you
biological
told our
line.
guests, are all the viewers, you are studying in which class?
Yes, so I told them on earlier that done with 12th.
You have done your 12th.
Done your 12th.
Right.
Yes.
So अब आगे क्या plans है further की कुछ confirm होता है ना बंदे के यार मैंने ना ये करना है, मैंने MBA करनी है, मैंने MBBS करनी है, मैंने MD psychiatry
See,
करनी है, what is
so
any ऐसा कुछ है कि that is something ultimate कि यार ये तो I am supposed to achieve. Do we have something in your case?
I feel like I did have one, like as I said earlier, I gave NEET also. तब तो लगता था कि MBBS करनी है.
करनी
See
है.
what happened, the paper got cancelled, all of that
Right,
happened.
sad part, very sad
Exactly,
part.
yes. So I am interested in the line of biotechnology as well.
Biotechnology.
Yes, if I get into the medical profession, that's obviously the first priority. But if not, then biotechnology also seems a good line for
Biotechnology
me.
will be there.
So anything where I can be hands-on, where I can use my skills, and where I'm involved in the field of biology, because that's my greatest passion.
Biology.
Yes.
When I was
Something
plus 1, plus 2, I was a medical student, so biology
Okay.
was my favorite
All
subject.
right.
Later on, I shifted to my stream to be an English field, but otherwise, it was bio was something. Physics for me was very scary.
It is for me also. I don't.
Chemistry
like
was
physics.
okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Botany was bit boring, but biology, and if you talk about zoology,
Zoology.
that was wonderful.
Obviously, because human physiology and
Yeah,
everything
that
comes
was
in that.
so we
Right.
share somewhat some
Yes.
same fields as well.
Mhm.
You feel good going out with your friends,
I do.
party time.
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes
Yes.
you have good number of friends.
I don't have many, but I prefer quality over quantity.
That's good.
I don't have like too many friends, but the friends I have, they're my closest ones. I can share everything.
Very
I want
close to
with
your
them.
heart.
Yes, I am.
Can we have their names? Because वो भी episode देख रहे हैं, they'll feel
Sure.
good.
So this is a shout out to Sachi, Ujjwal, Pari, and Divya.
That's wonderful.
Yes.
That's beautiful names. Okay. Anything else जिसके लिए you are very scary? Light बंद हो जाए घर में अकेले हो तो डर लगता है?
नहीं, not much.
Really?
Earlier on, I
Animals
used
से किसी से phobia?
animals say yes. Snakes.
Snakes.
Yeah, I've had a.
But you're dog friendly?
I am dog friendly. I like pets, but I've had a negative association with snakes ever since I was a kid. I don't know why.
Okay.
So I am scared of snakes. I don't like lizards,
Lizards.
cockroaches, rats.
नहीं
I
ये
just stay
ये
away
कुछ
from
like
them.
करने वाले है भी नहीं है. With due respect to all the
Lizard community.
lizard community. So, but yes, we girls have the fears.
Yes.
We are born with these fears only.
Yes.
We can't. I remember when I was school, I was in my school while my maths class was going on. Lizard ऊपर से नीचे गिर गई.
Oh God.
And I screamed like I jumped on the table and for the time the class teacher, she was sister was totally confused. What happened to you? Why are you jumping like this? And I could not even speak. Sister, there is a lizard. I was so horrified, but it was such a horrifying
was.
experience, na?
Yeah.
So yes, lizard is a common, you can say, fear we all girls share, I suppose.
And another fear, I would say, it was of traveling alone.
Acha.
Because like even using public transportation, that seemed very scary to me, because when I lived in Noida, we used to go for cabs and then apni car
Right.
mein jana.
Hanji.
But when we came here, then I had to use public transport eventually, if you talk about autos and stuff. So
Right.
it was very scary at first.
It was scary.
But then it is very important to come out of your shell and
Very
interact
true.
with the real world.
And this is the plus point which I have perceived as far as Purti is concerned. She faces her fears. She dynamically come out of it, and this is a very plus and positive point. I believe that my viewers, my NGO girls, will get a very, very positive quality, sensations from this episode.
Yes, so I have to give my mom the credit for that. Even if she's free, she won't drop me off to places. She
Okay.
tells me to use public transportation, to go obviously with all safety measures, of course.
Right.
With locations and stuff.
But this is making you
Yes,
more. This
it's
makes you
making me
more
more confident.
strong,
Right.
more confident. That's true. Mama और पापा से किससे ज़्यादा close?
See, things have happened in life where there have been some family situations. So at the moment, my mom is my everything. I can't
Yeah.
imagine my life without her.
Wonderful, wonderful. बेटियां, I suppose वो कहते हैं कि माँ की परछाई होती हैं.
Exactly.
So that's whatever we are today. It's because we maximum time we stay with our mothers.
Yes.
Even as compared to a father or as compared to our siblings, the maximum time a girl is spending with the mother.
Mother. Exactly.
So if we perceive good qualities from that bond, nothing better than this.
Yes.
That's what.
Exactly.
Okay. Now just let me know कि आजकल youngsters of your age group people,
Mm-hmm.
if you will prefer a nuclear family or a joint family?
I would prefer a nuclear family. I've
Nuclear.
always lived in one. I
That's
feel
what.
everyone gets their privacy. We can do whatever what. Not to say that a joint family
You
is
haven't
inherently
experienced
bad,
this
but I
joint
haven't
family.
experienced
You haven't
it ever.
experienced it.
Yes.
So nuclear family
Yeah.
is your preference. That's true. Ultimate aim of your life. Ultimate aim. कहते हैं ना, this is the ultimate thing. Ultimate aim of your life and ultimate dream of your life. What's that?
The ultimate aim, I would say, is to be successful. I know it might seem cliche, but for me, it's very, very important because it's just two daughters. It's me and my sister.
Okay.
Yeah, she's in 4th grade right now.
Okay.
So mainly the responsibility does sort of come on me as
How
the
sweet.
eldest.
She's being so
Yes.
responsible and so.
Yes, I have always been responsible. I take my duties very seriously. The ultimate aim is to be successful, is to do something worth my while and make my path in this world. That is no matter what I do.
That's wonderful. So your younger sister,
Yes.
what sort of bond are you sharing with her? Is that you are a bit bossy? Is that like she's a bit pampered? या दोनों में लड़ाई हो जाती है? या it's like she says always like yes boss वाला attitude with her?
All of the above.
All of the above.
Yes.
So could you please explain
Yes,
us?
of course. So my sister Nirvi, she's very young. She's just 9 years old right now.
Okay.
And we have a 9-year age gap.
Okay.
Yes. So I've never been like a sister. I've always been like a second mother to her.
I
Because I
understand.
was so much older
9
than
years,
her,
it's a big-
generational difference. Me
Right,
being Gen
right.
Z and she being Gen Alpha.
Right.
So she does listen to me more than our mother, I would say. Like if
that's
mama
wonderful.
says something, she won't listen as much. But if I scold her once, then she comes online.
Wow.
Yes,
मतलब
so-
क्या इनका प्रभाव है, डंडे का भी प्रभाव है इनका. That's
Me,
wonderful.
I love her the most in the entire world, of course. Like she's my baby sister. Of
How
course.
sweet.
She
How
does
sweet.
listen to me and she loves me the most. So it's a very beautiful bond.
That's a beautiful bond, the beautiful family that you are living. God has
Yes.
given you such a beautiful bonds in your life. And this is something ultimately.
Yes.
This is something ultimate thing that we look forward for peace, we look forward for love, a true love. So if you have discovered with your siblings, it's nothing better than this.
Yes.
Nothing better than this. जिंदगी का कोई ऐसा किस्सा कुछ हो गया हो जिसके बारे में यू फील लाइक बिट एम्बैरेस्ड, याद करके खुद पे हंसी आ जाती, यार ये क्या हो गया था, या मैंने ऐसा क्या किया, एनीथिंग छोटे होते का in your childhood or your recent experience?
Okay, I can share one from my childhood because I try to forget embarrassing moments because they come back to haunt me later on.
Right. It's
But
with
then-
everyone. It's with
yes.
everyone. But because we are here for the podcast,
Of course.
so I feel that we can talk
Yeah,
and
we can
share
be
some
open.
interesting chapters of
Yes.
our life.
So I do have one. When I was a kid, I remember that I was a very naughty child. I used to beat up other kids. What I've heard from my parents.
She seems to be so sweet and वो बड़ा भोला सा बच्चा जैसे होता है. पीटने वाली बात तो I'm really surprised.
नहीं, अब तो चलो I've changed a lot. As a person matures, we have to
I
fix
understand.
ourselves.
I understand.
But I've been sort of an angry bird. बचपन से. So from what I've heard, I used to beat up other children.
How old were you at that time when
I
you
guess
used to do this? इतना महान काम जब
3,
आप कर
4,
रहे हो.
5, I think.
3 to 4.
Yeah.
Right. 4
And
years.
then once I remember I was playing in the park and then a guy went by in his car and he was over speeding and I shouted, "Hey, you gone mad?" That's
seriously?
the one line I remember. Yes.
इतना छोटा बच्चा you know to retaliate. That's wonderful. शेरनी है कुड़ी ये मतलब. That's nice. Okay. Fears हो गए, ये हो
Yes.
गए. अब any one thing that you would like to buy once you have a good number of bucks in your pocket?
One thing I would like to buy. I would like to buy all of the makeup and all of the luxury heels in the world.
Wow. So you love makeup?
I do.
You love.
Sometimes. Not like
And
every day.
she's
of course,
like
for
so
events.
beautiful eyeliner, na? That I can say very sleek and
Yeah.
very nicely put up. Okay, and you have love for heels.
I do. Yes.
Okay, so you wear big heels.
Not that big. My mom doesn't let me because like we share our footwear as well. You know, same shoe
Wow,
sizes.
इससे तो और अच्छी बात हो नहीं सकती.
Yeah.
वहाँ के सारे footwears
हाँ.
you can also
So
enjoy.
mama doesn't really walk in like huge heels, but I do wear heels like
You
2-3
love wearing
inches.
it.
Yeah,
You love
sometimes.
wearing it.
Yes.
Okay, right. Any one message that you would like to give to the audience of Gupshup through your episode?
I would. I would say that I know that the comfort zone seems very happy. You're just in your little bubble.
When you said that comfort zone, was it because still we have time that we can talk? Was it that it was at some point of time in your life you took time to come out of your comfort
Yes.
zone? Have you realized this, this struggle that your soul, pursued it,
Yeah.
this journey of, can we listen something about it?
So that is the personal incident I was coming to. Actually, my parents got separated in 2020. I
Okay.
mean, they are separated. So my dad's in Bangalore, and then
Okay.
my mom, sister, and I, we are here.
Okay.
So that's what I mean by coming out of your comfort zone. We never knew this would happen, and it did because of maybe something that God had written out for us in our
Right.
destiny. We can't control
But
it.
that's
of course.
something that must have shaken you from
It
within.
did because when I was a kid, I was the closest to my dad. I think
Oh.
I've had this relationship with my mom now in these
Right.
6 years, but as a kid, I was inseparable from my dad. And then things happened, and he decided to take this decision. And I never expected that this would happen. Nobody expected it, even. Even when I
Right.
tell people today, they seem shocked because of how well adjusted I seem. But it did take me some time. So
Right.
this just goes to show that life is unpredictable. You never know what's going to happen. So you have to learn to adapt. You have to face things head on. It will take some time, but eventually
It will.
you have to work on yourself and try to find your happiness again.
I am
And that's
so
what I've
feeling
done.
so happy that I've got such a nice, intellectual, and well organized soul here, because the way you delivered this truth of your life, it shows your maturity. It shows your mom's hard work upon you.
Yes.
She has really worked hard on you to make
She's
you
my
such
greatest inspiration.
to make you such a responsible soul. अपनी उम्र से इन्होंने काफ़ी mature बातें की है. That's what I would like to convey to all my audience. But I am feeling so happy that I opted, this name to be there for my Gupshup. This is a story which will, inspire so many girls.
Yes.
So many girls. So I give you good luck, wishing you good luck for
Thank
your
you.
coming times. And you are a very strong person. I know, Purti, you will achieve high. You're going to touch the sky. You're going to fly. That's very true. Wishing you good luck.
Thank you.
And the one message which she has shared through the real incidents of her life, I feel all my NGO girls need to learn this thing, that life is unpredictable. We don't know what gonna happen, when gonna happen. And it must have been a very struggling phase. You have come out of it with lots of patience, lots of struggle. Must be that.
Yes.
And the way I'm looking at her at now, that she is all set to rock this world. She is all set to fly high. So I really congratulate you and your
Thank
mom
you.
for making you such a responsible individual.
Thank you. So I'll share this poem I wrote for my sister Nirvi. It's titled An Angel in Disguise, and I wrote this on the 12th of February 2023 for her
Right.
birthday.
Okay.
So, a smile of happiness, a tear of sorrow, the hope that there would be no tomorrow. A life of comfort, a life of loss, a life of summer, and a life of frost. Then came a constant, everlasting love who washed my pain away. Of her, I couldn't get enough, no matter what came my way. An angel in disguise, a healer by surprise, a blessing from God, a sister before my eyes.
Beautiful.
Smiles of happiness, tears of joy, and a sweet little girl to annoy.
Wonderful. It was beautifully expressed, and your sister is really lucky to have you as the elder sister, and such a beautifully you have expressed the emotions. I hope my audience must have enjoyed listening to the poetic rhythm of Purti. It was wonderful to have you.
Thank
you
you.
so much for coming here. Come on guys, मिलते हैं दोबारा with new story, एक नया चेहरा, एक नई पहचान, एक नई कहानी आपकी अपनी गुरसीमा के साथ at the show Gursema's Gupshup. Thank you.
Thank you.